Hello guys, welcome to Tisha's home cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick way of making a very healthy smoothie. This is a very quick video, so I'm just going to show you quickly. I'm so much now into my smoothies now, which is very healthy and it's very filling. If you're looking to lose weight or looking for a very healthy way of getting some nutrients into your body, please begin to look into having some smoothies or having your fruits and your vegetables, which is very healthy. So let's just quickly go through what I've got here. I've got like 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and then I've got some also apples. This is just like a quarter of an apple that I have actually chopped some. And if you haven't got the red apple, you can use green apple, which is also very healthy. I've got also an avocado here, which is very good, full of healthy fats. Then I've got kale. Okay, so I've got kale. Kale is also actually so healthy for you. Is full of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. I've also got some cucumber here, and I've also got some spinach, which is packed with iron. So as you can see, this looks so good already. I've also got some ice cubes, which I've actually crushed already. So what I'm going to do is begin to add all these in my blender and also blend it up. You can add some soya milk if you prefer, but I'm not adding soya milk today. So here we go. I'll try and put as much in there as possible. Okay, and I've got the cucumber in here. Okay. I'm just going to also include some of my apples, and then I'm going to also include my avocado. So as I said, you can have this first thing in the morning, or in the evening, if you prefer, before you go to bed. If you feel like not wanting to eat anything, then obviously you can have this, which is very healthy, and you will love it, trust me. Right, just going to press it down, and then I'm going to include the yogurt. What I've done is I've also got some water here, just in case I need to put a little bit of water in it, but I've already got the ice cubes there, so I may not need the water, but if I do need it, then I'm just going to include it. So it looks like I may need to put some water in, but as I said, you can include soya milk if you prefer, but as I don't have soya milk, I'm just going to use water. I'm going to add more of the apple and the cucumber. Just add a bit more here. going to add the rest of my apples and the rest of my cucumber and a bit more kale. I just want it nutrients packed. Right, okay, and there you have it. This is full of nutrients, I can't stress enough, you know, this is so healthy. Okay. That is so good. Trust me, that is so good. You want to try your hands on it. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit on that notification button, and don't forget to share this video and drop your comments as well. So I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.